In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can save battery life on your Nintendo Switch 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and scroll down, and you're looking for this little system settings option right here. Open this up, and by far one of the easiest ways to save battery life is by lowering your screen brightness, especially in handheld mode. So go to the screen brightness tab right here. Obviously, I'm connected to a TV right now since I'm screen recording. But reduce your brightness a little bit. It'll make a noticeable difference because your console is essentially using less power to light up the screen. From here, scroll down to display, and there's a few settings that you're going to want to adjust. If you're playing on a 1080p TV, go ahead and change that resolution to 1080p instead of 4K. Go ahead and disable 120 Hz output and use 60 Hz instead. Turn HDR off. You honestly don't need it. But keep screen burn reduction enabled. These adjustments will help reduce power usage. From here, scroll all the way down to the very bottom and go into system settings and scroll down a little bit more, and you're going to see an option on here for data management. You may have to scroll down a little bit in order to see it, or it's going to be called like data clear options. Just delete any of the save data for any of the games that you no longer play. Also check your screenshots and videos, remove anything that you don't need. Keep your storage optimized can obviously help with overall system efficiency. Then go up to sleep mode and just make sure auto sleep will activate after a short period of inactivity, like 5 minutes. This will prevent your console from staying on unnecessarily. And then if available, enable the option that stops charging around 80 to 90%. This will help preserve long-term battery health. You can also turn on automatic software updates because this will ensure your console runs efficiently with the latest system improvements, but that is it. Your Nintendo Switch 2 should now be optimized to save battery life. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.